Welcome to Reen English, the place to learn English. This course is a very useful video collection for people who want to learn English.
English vocabulary and improve their English speaking skills by listening to daily conversations and enjoy heart-touching stories in simple English.
Today's story is about two best friends, a life-changing sea journey, and a powerful lesson about selfless love. The story of the 6 blind men and the elephant. Once there were 6 blind men who had never encountered an elephant before. They decided to touch and feel the animal in order to understand its shape. Each of them touched a different part of the elephant and described it according to their personal experience.
The one who touched the leg said it was like a pillar. The one who touched the tail said it was like a rope. The one who touched the trunk said it was like a bamboo tube.
The one who touched the ear said it was like a fan. The one who touched the belly said it was like a wall. The one who touched the tusk said it was like a spear.
They all argued fiercely, each insisting that his version was the only truth. Lessons for the modern world. This story is more than just a parable. It reflects the reality of our information age. 1. Personal bias. Each blind man perceived the elephant only through his limited experience. This is similar to how we often rely on partial information from sources we trust.
2. Incomplete interpretation. Each of them had a part of the truth, but none could see the whole picture of the elephant.
3. Arguments without listening. They quarreled endlessly, but none made an effort to listen and understand the perspectives of others. 4. The need for a complete vision. To truly understand the elephant, they needed to combine all viewpoints into one comprehensive image. Application in daily life. This parable teaches us valuable lessons. Avoid drawing conclusions from incomplete information. Consider multiple perspectives and seek out diverse sources. Engage in respectful dialogue and focus on mutual understanding. Maintain a broad outlook and recognize that truth can have many sides.
The story of the blind men and the elephant is still highly relevant today, especially in the digital age where information can be interpreted in many ways. Recognizing the limits of our own perception and being open to others' viewpoints are the keys to deeper understanding and overcoming bias.